Today we are going to look at unboxing the Haldiram's Pani Puri. We all would have seen this in the market. Let's see if it's really worth it. The pack has 2 to 3 small sachets, and I would think these are the meeta and the khatta chutneys. Looking at the pack, the puris are neatly packed in a mold so that they don't break. Let us now open the chutneys while placing the puris on the pan. The first chutney is the meeta or the sweet chutney. The second is the green chutney. The instructions ask us to dilute it with water. So let's see, we're placing it in the pan and then diluting it with water. The next sachet that we have is a small packet of bundi that we can fill in each of our puris. We have also cut some onions for taste, and that can be filled into the puris. Now we have the meetha chutney which is there, which have been filled into the puris. We are all set to have the Pani Puri. It tastes amazing, just like what we get on the street.